Students, good afternoon to you all. Welcome to the online class. Myself, Asad Kumar Mahapatra, assistant teacher, Sanskar the Gurukul International School. Already we have discussed about chapter 2, polynomials, the types of polynomials, regarding the degree of a polynomial, that already we have discussed. Now we will read about the values of a polynomial, values of a polynomial where x stands for different value. Suppose I will write function of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 1. Suppose this is the polynomial fx, means function of x. It means polynomial is expressed in term of x. Polynomial is expressed in term of x. So I wrote fx is equal to x square plus 3x plus 1. And you have to find the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. You have to find the value of fx. Fx means function of x. It means when the polynomial is expressed in the term of x. So what is the value given? First, to take x value 0. So I will write f of 0. It means x value is 0. So what we have to do? Just to put the value of x is equal to 0. So I will write 0 plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So that is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 1. So answer is 1. Like this way, you have to find the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 1. So I will write f of 1 is equal to square of 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 1. So that is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 1. So that is equal to 5. Like this way, f of 2, it means x value is equal to 2. So what you will write? The square of 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 1. That is equal to 11. So like this way, you have to find out the value of the polynomials. Value of the polynomial, suppose I will write fx is equal to 6x square plus 7x plus 5. Suppose this is the question. You have to find out the value of when x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. You have to find the value of the polynomial. What is the polynomial? The polynomial is 6x square plus 7x plus 5. You have to find out the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 1. So you have to write f of 1 is equal to 6 into square of 1 plus 7 into 1 plus 5. So that is coming 6 plus 7 plus 5. Total coming 18. So like this way, you have to also find the value of the polynomial here when x is equal to minus 1. So we will write f of minus 1 is equal to 6 into square of minus 1 plus 7 into minus 1 plus 5. So that is coming 6 minus 7 plus 5. That is coming 4 after calculation. So dear children, whenever a polynomial is given to you and find the values whenever x value that is given to you, x is equal to maybe any integers, x is equal to maybe any integers, otherwise x belongs to any rational number, whatever, you have to find out the value of the polynomial. So now I will tell you what is zeros of a polynomial. Question is zeros. Zeros means roots. Zeros of a polynomial. Suppose 3x plus 5 that is equal to function of x. It means the polynomial is expressed in the term of x, function x is equal to 3x plus 5. So question is, when the polynomial will be 0, it means what are the roots, what is the value of the x, what is the value of the x, so that the polynomial is equal to 0. What is the value of x? It means you can say the value of the x means that is the root of the polynomial. Otherwise you can say 0 of the polynomial. So you write simply 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. It implies that 3x is equal to minus 5. It implies that x is equal to minus 5 by 3. So question was what? What is the value of x so that the polynomial is equal to 0? So you have to write function of x, it means 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, it means 3x is equal to minus 5. When plus 5 will come to that side, plus 5 will come to that side, that is minus 5. So x value minus 5 by 3. Similarly, see another question. Suppose I will say function of x is equal to 7x minus 2. So what is the root of the value of the polynomial? It means what should be the value of x so that the polynomial is equal to 0. So you will say 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. It implies that 7x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 2 by 5. So this x is called root. Whatever we got the value of x, that is called root or called 0. So it is the conclusion that a polynomial having one root, otherwise also maybe two roots, also maybe three roots, like that. A polynomial having more roots. Suppose see another example. I like here x square plus 5x plus 6. X square plus 5x plus 6 is a polynomial. So what are the roots of the equation, or what are the zeros of the equation? Root means 0. So tell me what are the roots of the equation. So I will write x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. It implies that x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So now this requires factorization. This requires factorization. Already in lower classes you have the ideas regarding factorization. See here, multiplication result will be 6x square and addition result will be 5x. It means you have to select two terms. You have to select two terms whose addition will be 5x and multiplication will be 6x square. So what is the rule? Rule is x square term will be multiplied with the constant term. X square term will be multiplied with the constant term. Already we got 6x square. Now we have to choose two terms. We have to select two terms. That addition of the two terms will come 5x and multiplication will come 6x square. First into last. Product of the first into last. So ultimately it is clear that x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So you can say now 2x plus 3x, 5x is coming, and 2x into 3x, 6x square is coming, first into last. So now taking common from the first two, x is common, x plus 2. From last two, 3 is common, x plus 2. So we got x plus 2 is whole common, x plus 2 is in both. Therefore, x plus 2 is whole common into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, what we got? We got x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. It means x plus 2 may be 0 or x plus 3 may be 0. So, if x plus 2 will be 0, x value will be minus 2. And if x plus 3 will be 0, x value will be minus 3. So already we got the two roots of the equation. So what is the root? One is minus 2, another is minus 3. Because already I told a polynomial having more than one root, more than one zero. Therefore, here we got two roots. One is minus 2, another is minus 3. So dear children, I will give you some problem for your home task. I think you will solve it. So this is the problem for you. Question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial fx is equal to x to the power 4 plus 7x cube plus 2x square plus 1. Find the value at x is equal to minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. You have to find the value of the polynomial when fx is equal to x to the power 4, 7x cube plus 2x square plus 1. And question number 2, find the roots of the polynomial. Find the roots of the polynomial x square minus 12x plus 32. That is equal to function of x. Find the roots of the polynomial x square minus 12x plus 32. So dear children, if any doubt arises, you will contact me in my mobile number. Thank you all.